guys, welcome to Generation Rebel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can blur using Canva. So I'm here on Canva, and in order to blur, I'm going to show you some ways you can blur things in Canva. And you can actually use blur in your text as well by using the settings, the effects or whatever. But if you just want to blur a picture, you can click the picture that you want to blur, click on edit image and search up blur, and you'll find blur over here. Now you'll be given tools to start blurring your image, like this add tool over here. If you want, you can increase its intensity. As you can see, this guy's face is no longer seen. You can increase the brush size if you want, but that is how you can blur a picture in Canva. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe with it. This is Generation Raffle, and see you in the next one. Bye.